go exploring with Ed and Peppa in the wild.
Jeepers creepers, where are we going to land?
Good question, Ed.
Hurry up, Peppa. It's cramped and stuffy in here. I need some fresh air.
We'll find a spot soon.
Plus which, I haven't seen an animal in hours.
Oh, they're there all right.
But where, Peppa?
You'll see.
Where's my camera? Come on, let's get out there. Whee!
Fresh air.
Whoa! Ugh, ugh.
It's really quiet out here and so peaceful.
I know. It's a nice change from the engine noises of the pip ship. So where are all these animals you mentioned? What the? Monkeys! Monkeys, monkeys, monkeys! Monkeys are my all-time favourites.
Really? I thought you were wild about lions.
Lions too.
And what about elephants then?
Elephants as well? Bouncing bananas! This is so exciting. Here, have a look.
It's all a bit of a blur.
Come on then, let's get closer. Yoo-hoo!
Oh, Ed.
Here, monkey, monkey. Time for a little fun. Whoa! Whoa! You gave me a fright. Hey there, Jack in the Box. What are you up to? Whoa! Make up your mind. Weird. Ooh, more monkeys.
Ed, wait for me.
Hi, my name's Ed. Whoa! Whoa!
Ed!
Peppa, shh. Whoa!
Yikes!
Whoa! Whoa!
Ed, the monkeys use their tails for balance. See?
Wow! What sort of monkey is she?
She's a capuchin monkey.
Hello. You mind if I just squeeze past you here?
Better jump, Ed. She's staying put.
Well then, here goes. Whoa!
Bravo!
Thank you, thank you.
Now, capuchin monkeys, Ed, are a tight-knit group.
Hey there, fella. Come on, Peppa.
Ed, please, can't you keep still for a minute?
Here, monkey, monkey. Where'd he go? Whoa! Jeepers! You really frightened me. Hey, Peppa, how come Peppa?
Coming!
So you like eating bark, huh? Not too dry for you? I'm not a big fan of bark myself. Gets stuck between my teeth. How about a smile?
Here you are!
Oh, bravo, Clumsy Toes. You just scared him off.
Don't worry, he'll be back.
Frying fish fingers, he's quick.
Hello there, cutie pie. You're very cute, aren't you? Yes, you are. These capuchin monkeys are one of the most intelligent monkeys of them all.
What's he fumbling around for?
Fruits, berries, leaves, insects, whatever takes his fancy.
Ugh, insects? What is it with monkeys and insects?
High in protein, good for the muscles.
But bad for the taste buds.
Could be salty, something a little savoury.
More like something a little creepy and crawly. Now this sweet berry might be nice for them. Peppa, look!
Ed, careful! Oh, sweet. Isn't it just too adorable?
Come on, let's follow them.
See that second one over there?
Yes?
That's a babysitter.
Now you're pulling my leg.
Seriously? Capuchins allow a younger one to follow them around and observe. After 2 months, they can pass their young ones into the care of a properly trained nanny.
Interesting. Bouncing bananas, look!
Well spotted. Come on, up we go. Come on, Ed. It's all about balance.
Oh, it's see, Eppa. It's all in your tail.
Hold on tight.
Whoa, whoa, just like a monkey. Whoa, whoa. Phew, made it. What are you doing?
Talking. Look at their little hands, Ed. Tough and strong, all the better to cling with. Look, Ed, opposable thumbs.
I beg your pardon?
Look at their thumbs. They look like ours. The thumb faces the opposite way of the other fingers so that they can grip with them and pick up things.
I hadn't noticed that before. Hi there. Don't mind me. Do what you do best. What do you think?
Too adorable for words. Now, how about climbing down?
I've got a better idea. Come in, Pipship, come in.
Clever thinking.
Wow, that was amazing. Thanks, Eppa.
Always a pleasure.
Next adventure, here we come.
Cheerio, monkeys!
Click on the videos above to see more amazing animals. And be sure to subscribe.